Zimbabwe inches closer to its next elective congress. The ruling party finds itself at a history inflection point. The question is no longer whether ZANU-PF can survive whether it can survive with its soul intact. And the answer lies not in the corridors of borrowed wealth or the glint of luxury vehicles, but in the trenches of revolutionary legacy. And that legacy belongs to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Sarapena mashuka ruda pangwa ino nyason kwa awa Zimbabwe pangwa ino. It is on the crossroads. Not for subscribe or like out on the bell like tivira paendo kachipomsa ronenda mirachit across all 10 provinces musanye berwe. The message is clear. The grassroots, veterans, and provincial structures are rallying behind General Chiwenga. This is not a manufactured wave. It is a groundswell of genuine support from those who build the party with the blood, sacrifice, and conviction. The endorsements are not bought. They are earned. Meanwhile, the mnangagwa axis is attempting to rewrite the rules of succession through patronage and corporate capture. Criminal Tagore, a businessman with no liberation credentials, has flooded the party with cars and payroll perks, hoping to buy loyalty. But ZANU-PF is not a stock exchange. It is a revolutionary movement, and no amount of money can purchase the legitimacy forged in the crucible of Chiwenga. If ZANU-PF allows itself to be hijacked by a criminal corrupt cabal of profiteers, it will not only lose its moral compass, it will lose the country and power. The army, the war veterans, and the people will not stand by as the party is reduced to a shell of its former self. History has shown us what happens when leadership deviates from the liberation ethos. Tabaniki Stole and Abiy Muzorewa learned that lesson the hard way. General Chiwenga represents continuity, discipline, and ideological clarity. He is not perfect, but he is principled. He understands that leadership is not about accumulation, it is about stewardship. Under his guidance, ZANU-PF is a chance to restore its credibility, reconnect its base, and chart a course that honors its founding values. The upcoming 2027 Congress must be free, fair, and untainted by manipulation. If it is, General Chiwenga will win, not because he is wealthy, but because he is worthy. ZANU-PF must choose redemption or ruin. The time for illusion is over. It's time for General Chiwenga. Tomashuka ruda pangwa ine atukona kuti right now vanachipomsa rurwa they are trying to call a spade a spade. Pangwa ino chiindoza VP Constantino Chiwenga vachapangwa ino vachiti aiwa tinoda kuti kucongress kuitwe aiwa zvinhu zvine mugwara pina kumasection medu zvafundo eni muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.